In this video, let's explore Venice, Italy's romantic city, which is located in the Veneto region, one of the country's northernmost states. This ancient and historically significant city was established on 100 small islands in the Adriatic Sea. Venice relies on a network of waterways and canals rather than roadways. You are not allowed to drive a car in Venice. How sweet! The world-famous Grand Canal roadway, which was a significant Renaissance center, is one of the city's most famous locations. Another identifiable place is Venice's major plaza, known as Piazza San Marco. This is where you'll discover Byzantine mosaics, the Campanile Bell, and of course, St. Mark's Basilica. Summer is always the busiest and most vibrant time in Venice, from the beginning of June until the end of July. During the winter months of November to March, a phenomenon known as acqua alta floods sections of Venice, limiting access to Piazza San Marco. However, if you want to party during the Venice Carnival, make sure you visit between the end of February and the beginning of March. This is the time of year when music, costumes, and an artistic celebration take over. Venice has a Mediterranean climate that is relatively cool. Summer temperatures seldom reach 80 degrees Fahrenheit, with July and August being the warmest months. The summer months are also among the driest of the year. The rainiest months of the year are typically the spring months of April and May. If you dislike hot weather, though, spring is a particularly pleasant time of year to visit Venice. December and January are the coldest months, with average temperatures lower than 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Venice is a wonderful work of art in terms of beauty and superb architecture. The city of romance will have you coming back for more. Few cities can lay claim to such a valuable artistic and historical legacy as Venice. This one-of-a-kind city, with its magnificent, breathtaking backdrop, is more than simply lovely. It is a true work of creative genius. A city constructed on the mud, sand, and slime of a tough, unfriendly region. The architecture of the beautiful city of Venice is the main attraction, which is accentuated by the historic canals that surround it. The city is home to the Gothic masterpiece Doge Palace, as well as Piazza San Marco and St. Mark's Basilica. These pink and white marble structures must be seen in person to be truly appreciated. It is not only a stunning specimen of Italian architecture, but it is also the focal point of the Venice Carnival. I hope you liked the content of this video. Please drop in a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Last but not the least, I would like to thank you for watching the video. Stay safe.